It's a beautiful Sunday morning, the perfect time to talk about hobbies. But how can you make your English sound more natural?
Instead of just saying I like, tell us how often. Use these magic words.
Use always for something you do 100% of the time.
Use usually for something you do most of the time.
And use sometimes for something you do, but not often.
So, Mia, on the weekend, what do you always do?
I always have coffee in the morning.
What do you usually do?
I usually call my family on Sundays.
And what about video games?
Hmm, I only sometimes play video games.
And what's a hobby you never do?
I never go fishing. It's too quiet for me.
Try them out.